Hi friends! In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this cat, inspired by Jiji. Here's what you'll need: a chenille stem, a shoulder bag, a headband, a blue dress, safety eyes and nose. The things I've just mentioned are in the Make Your Own Jiji cat kit. The rest of the items can be found at home. Now let's get started. First, fold the stem in half and hold the closed loop end. Put 2 fingers through and twist it twice. Now loop the stem through the hole and gently pull it through, leaving a bit of the stem for the ears. Gently pull the ears apart. Put your thumb through the hole in the face and twist the right and left ears. Next, holding the right stem, take it to the front and wrap it around the neck, to the back, and then bring the stem to the front again in between the 2 ears. And through the hole again, tug gently all the way through. Taking the other stem, wrap it around the back once and then fold it towards the front in between the ears. Loop it through the hole. This part can be quite tricky, so just take it slow. Make sure you're forming a loop around the right ear. Gently pull through. Now adjust the shape. Hold the head with your left hand while your right hand twists. And then take the right stem, fold it inwards towards the left, and repeat on the other side. You should see a nice X shape now. Twist the right hand twice, and then the left. Now take his right leg, fold it across the body, and repeat with the left leg as well. Try to keep both sides even. Finally, twist each of his legs twice to give it a better shape. Flip it over to the back and fold down the remaining stems. Bending any leftovers around the neck. Flip it back to the front. Finally, fine-tune the shape to your liking. Now let's make his face. Lightly poke holes where you want to place the eyes and the nose. This is just for you to test it out, so don't worry too much about getting it right. Once you've decided, you can fix them into position with a bit of glue. Allow the glue to dry. Now let's polish him up a bit. Trim off the excess fur to give him pointed ears and a more defined face and body. See how the shape of his head is much clearer now? Just a little bit more to go. Oh, look at him. Now you can dress him in this cute costume set inspired by Kiki's delivery service. You can glue the headband down to make it even more secure. Ta-da! Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this tutorial.